What if I told you you're already investing every single day without even knowing it? The question is, are you investing in things that make you richer? Your time, your energy, your attention, they're all investments. And just like your money, where you put them determines your future. Now, imagine waking up 5 years from now with the freedom to travel, live in the house you dreamed of, or never stress about bills again. Sounds good, right? But here's the twist. Most people will never. Imagine you're on a sinking ship. Inflation is water, slowly rising. Your paycheck? It's the bucket you're using to stay afloat. Every year, your dollars buy less. Coffee's gone up. Rent's gone up. Even Netflix wants more. But there's one way people have historically stayed ahead. Investing. And of all the methods, stocks have built more millionaires than any other asset class. Pattern interrupt. Unless you count crypto bros who bought Shiba Inu in 2021 and sold it in 2022, which we don't. Smirking face, here's the truth. The stock market isn't just for Wall Street suits or financial nerds. It's for people like you. People who are done watching their money sit in a savings account earning 0.1%. But you have to start, and most don't. Why? Because they don't understand what the stock market actually is. So let's simplify. Think of the stock market as a giant marketplace like Amazon, but instead of buying products, you're buying pieces of companies. You don't need to be a CEO. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need to start with one simple principle: ownership. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of that business. Let's say you believe in Apple. You love their products, their innovation, their overpriced charges. You can buy Apple stock and share in their success. When they profit, you profit. And here's the part no one tells you. You don't have to pick individual stocks. Cliffhanger setup. In fact, beginners probably shouldn't. I'll explain why in a moment. But first, let's cover how you make money in the stock market. 1. Capital gains. You buy low, sell high. Like flipping sneakers, but for companies. Dividends. Some companies pay you a portion of their profits just for holding the stock. Yes, it's literally money for doing nothing. Sounds too good? It's not magic, it's math and patience. Pattern interrupt. Imagine if Netflix paid you every time you binged a show. That's basically what dividend investing feels like. Popcorn money with wings. Now, remember I said beginners probably shouldn't pick individual stocks? That's because of something called index funds. Instead of betting on one company, you're buying tiny pieces of hundreds or even thousands of companies at once. It's like a smoothie made of top-performing businesses. If one fruit goes bad, the smoothie still tastes great. Most popular index fund, the S&P 500, it tracks the top 500 companies in the U. Historically, it's returned about 7 to 10% annually over the long term. That means your money could double every 7 to 10 years without you lifting a finger. So now you know what the stock market is. You know how it works. The real question is, what are you going to do with that knowledge? Because while you're thinking about it, someone else your age is already investing. And every dollar they invest now has decades to grow. Every day you wait, that's money left on the table. Emotional trigger. Fear of regret. Imagine being 35, looking back, and realizing you missed your most powerful asset, time. But this isn't about guilt, it's about opportunity. Right now, you have the chance to set your future self up for freedom, confidence, and choices most people only dream of. In the next video, I'll walk you through exactly how to buy your first stock or index fund, step by step. So if you've ever thought, I want to invest but I don't know where to start, then make sure you're subscribed, because that's where we make it real. This was your introduction to the stock market. Your roadmap begins here. And remember, you don't have to be rich to start, but you do have to start to get rich.